जलना बुझना बुझ के जलना, मरना जीना मर के जीना, मांगने वाली चीज नहीं है मौका उसका जिसने छीना। गिरना उठना उठ के चलना, चढ़ जा अंबर जीना जीना, याद रहे ये शर्त सफर की, पीछे मुड़ के देख कभी न। जीत का जुनू है तो हार सोचना क्यों, जब जिंदगी है एक ही, दो बार सोचना क्यों। मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं, मुझे आसमां बनना है, मैं एक बनना क्यों रहूं, मुझे दास्तां बनना है। मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं, मुझे आसमां बनना है। I'll tell you, there's something about the mole, there's something about Pariniti being fat. People have a lot of such things, but they got to see the film to know. है पल दो पल जिंदगी, ये आज है कल नहीं, पाया क्या खोया क्या परवाह नहीं है, हम साथ है तो है लम्हा हंसी है, जितना भी जीना है इस पल में जीना है, छोड़ो ना कुछ कल पे, इश्क करो दिल से, ये दिल मिलते हैं मुश्किल से, इश्क करो हो दिल से, ये दिल मिलते हैं मुश्किल से। For me, this is one of my most special projects, I'd say. You know, I started this film 4 years ago when I was 26 years old. I signed it in 2017. And 4 years later, we're here with the soundtrack. And over time, I was only doing songs for the film then, and I ended up doing the background score as well. It's my debut as the background scorer of this film. So it's really special. And in these 4 years, I would like to thank most importantly Amol Gupte for believing in the film, believing in the music, believing in me. And it was an honor, you know, being part of such a film, such a story. Saina, such an amazing character to, you know, look up to, learn so much from. And Parinda, you know, as a singer, I was not my own choice. It was something that, you know, Bhushan sir and Amol sir felt that my voice, I'd sung the shoot scratch version and just given it. But somewhere, maybe because the lyrics, I would give a lot of credit to Manoj Muntashir and his lyrics for this song, because it really puts you into that zone. And I feel, you know, when I sang it, I belted it out with like, as if it's my story. And I feel that's what the song is now doing to people, where they're listening and they feel, obviously it is part of Saina, it is part of a story, a script. But somewhere when a song manages to make you feel like it's your story, I feel that's where it becomes the song of the people. And that's what Parinda is doing. So I was looking out for comments that I hope no one's bashed the singing, but this time I'm safe. I've got a lot of compliments for composing songs over the years, but I'm happy that as a singer also people are accepting me. So it feels good. I take constructive criticism really well. If it makes sense, if someone says, I don't like the music piece in your song, or the kick is not cool, or like the bass line is not fun. Not many people get that technical, but my little fans, like my Amalians and all these groups on Twitter and Instagram, they're very sharp. When the teaser also comes, sometimes they're like, oh, the audio is getting spoiled here, something's getting quashed, we can't hear. So I obviously, anyone who has a suggestion or feels something strongly about my music, if he puts forward or she puts forward that to me with respect, I'm there. I always listen to that. I think it's important to hear it from the people directly. That gives you a clearer perspective, you know, whether you're going on the right path or not. And mostly it's always been good. Sometimes, you know, there have been songs where I would say like Ashik Surrender Why. It's a very big hit. But people would comment, we don't expect these kind of songs from you, and we want you to do the Bol Do Na Zara and Kaun Tujhe space. I feel I'm lucky that I get to do all kinds of music. Yes, personally, I love doing songs like Kaun Tujhe or Bol Do Na Zara and Main Rahu Ya Na Rahu. But once in a while, Aswa Asman, Suraj Duba Hai, or a Kar Gayi Chul and Ashik Surrender Hua. It's fine. It keeps me happy that I'm doing different stuff. So everything you can't make everyone happy, and I think today it's a time where anyone with an internet connection can just say whatever they want. So not everything over the years even I've understood, like I've responded to many things in times and all, which maybe I didn't want, I shouldn't have, or maybe the procedure of doing that, that mindset. I was young, I was unabashed, a little crazy. I still am that, but I always have spoken for the right thing. Sometimes maybe I've found a wrong way to say it out. So now I just, I feel if it's something that will not let me sleep at night, and if I feel that if I don't say this, I'm being wrong to the younger generation who want to be composers, singers, or just be part of this industry, then I will say it. Then I don't think. So that is going to be me. Just maybe what's important is to not give a damn about all of them. Only some that make sense. To make music, you got to find yourself first. In this social world, it's okay. It's beautiful. I get so much love, so many stories and mentions, and people loving my music. To be a musician you got to keep things a little pure. I would say you got to get out from the world, get a little alone, find yourself, and come back every time. And this is something, I did that recently because Saina got preponed, and Koi Jaane Na also, a song of mine from that film dropped today called Ishq Karo. So these things have all cramped up suddenly. So I have 2 films coming together, one last week of March and first week of April. So that they needed my attention. I had to run away so that I could deliver things. And I think all of us as a generation, whenever we're bored, we just go and click Insta and stare and think kuch hoga. And there's nothing going to happen. It's the same old stories, people showing their lives are perfect and yours is not. So I think it's not a great place to learn anything from. You can be updated about things. But from time to time, it's important to get that detox, run away from all of this so that the artist inside finds himself again. I think Parinda is only the anthem of my life because I don't see anything closer than that which defines my mindset. It's very close to how I think. The lyrics of the line where it says, "Koi to wajah hai jo zid pe adi hai ye dhadkane, yahi to maza hai kiya jo kisi ne nahi hum kare." This is so me. It is Saina, it's everything, but I feel Manoj Muntashir knows me also so well. Like he's seen me grow up in front of him. He's actually written the story of my life and every other human being. So for me, not because Parinda is released now, when I recorded it also, when I created it, since then it has been a song for me where, it was a tough phase the last 2 years where usually in this industry, I wouldn't recommend people to take decisions like me. Everyone has their own path. I left about 16, 17 films at the very onset of my career, and 5 years in, 6 years in, last 2 years, from 2018 after Sonu Ki T2, even my parents were not sure what I was doing. They were like, "Amal, how are you leaving so many films?" And I could see where I wanted to go. Not everyone can see that. And I feel every time I felt low, I would listen to Parinda. I would make it's my inner soul song. And it's helped me get through so much, because I used to think, am I making a mistake? Because they're big films, but they only want a remix from me. And I don't get to, show my musicianship there. And why should I? So maybe that could have been also taken up. I could have done that, but I'm glad I didn't, because somewhere it brought me peace. It brought me time to, before 2018, 3-4 years, I've continuously done about a song a fortnight. I released in 17, I released about 26 songs in a year. So a young kid at 26, 27 gets tired. And I start to, detest my music. I start feeling, I don't want to do music, man. I just, those things start happening where you're just like, not today. Just start avoiding trying to make a song. So when I realized I'm killing the artist in me by doing so much and, not enjoying it, it was important. But what kept me positive through that phase was this song, these lyrics. And I hope this becomes something for people to, believe in themselves again. I don't care what hit or super hit or blockbuster, what this song becomes, but it should become their inner voice and make them believe that if I can do it, you can do it. That's the message it should be sent across through this song.
जलना बुझना बुझ के जलना मरना जीना मर के जीना मांगने वाली चीज नहीं है मौका उसका जिसने छीना गिरना उठना उठ के चलना चढ़ जा अंबर जीना जीना याद रहे ये शर्त सफर की पीछे मुड़ के देख कभी न जीत का जुनू है तो हार सोचना क्यों जब जिंदगी है एक ही दो बार सोचना क्यों मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं मुझे आसमां बनना है मैं एक बनना क्यों रहूं मुझे दास्तां बनना है मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं मुझे आसमां बनना है
There was a time there used to be 100 crore club films, and it became a phase ki 100 crores if the film reaches, it's a great film. Slowly, steadily, we're seeing that happen in songs, where you see there's 100 million song and you think, oh, it's 1 billion, and like, wow, it must be great. There are some which are really amazing that have that numbers, but there are some okay-ish songs also which are hitting those numbers. But I don't think that's what makes people connected to the music. Numbers are good. They're good for business. Even I post, this, that, everything. But music doesn't come from there. Let me tell everyone who will see this, especially the ones who want to make their way into music, compose or sing. I see a lot of youngsters getting scared because of these numbers. And I blame, everyone for, making this such a big thing. There are songs at 2 million which are beautiful. There are songs at 100 million which are shit. So there's no such rule. And I would like to say 7 years back, I made Suraj Dubai. It completed 100 million 3 days back. And I have a Kaun Tujhe, which is 700 million or almost 800 million. But on stage, both have the same value. So music is music. Good music will reach out. Bad music will be rejected. People are smarter than us. You got to listen to what the audience is liking. And even when they like I left remixes, but the good ones worked. There will be an Aankh Maare, there will be a Dilbar, but then there'll be a Masakali. So it's the audience. It's not anyone else. It's the people. The more you respect the audience, the more I respect my audience. I respect people who are my fans, not my fans, listeners especially. What they react to is my final realization, okay, that worked, it did work. I don't gauge any of my journey or anyone else's song also. If I think it's nice, I share it also. I don't care if it's not some big song or some big artist. If I like someone's song, my fans also so nice. They maybe because they see me do this, they also bring up a lot of younger artists and they send their links to me. So I think it has to be collectively, you have to be like a family and everyone should support each other's music. And that's the main agenda of music. It's not one man ever. It's made by, like in China also, I'm leading it from the front, but there are millions of people in this. There are musicians from Macedonia. There are 50 musicians from India, recordists, engineers. It's a collaborative process. So I don't think the purity of music comes from numbers and those things. It comes from being honest here. And as long as that's happening, I think, there's no more pedestals to be putting yourselves on or any awards or any numbers will change that. If in the hearts of people, I think I'm good being there. Any kind of publicity is good publicity. But, that thing was not something which, I know why the poster was like that. Amol Gupta is not trying to show a serve in that. It's a smash. It can be anything. It's just a symbol that maybe, he wanted to show the, right Saina through the shuttlecock and just a hit. It's not necessary that someone's showing a tennis move. So that's okay. I think the more you have, there was even, I'll tell you, there was something about the mole. There's something about Pariniti being fat. People have a lot of such things, but they got to see the film to know. It's the journey. Even in real life, Saina Nehwal was a plump, healthy kid who works out to reach that. You have to see that transformation of the girl. How can you judge an actor? How can you judge a film or anything? That's why I said people with an internet and no other job to do will enjoy doing that. That's their job. In the process, if your product's getting more famous, then it's cool. It's fine. I want to tell them a big thank you because they have proved to me that, I believed it, but you need someone to believe in you. That's very important. They made me believe in me all the time. And even when I took that break in 2018, ran away 3-4 months New Zealand trying to find myself, me included, little bit, and everyone felt, that it's time up and, you can't do this at a time when you're getting continuous work. You leave so much work. And I was like, I don't know, man. It's okay. If I have to, I will find my way again, make good music, but I don't want to do bad work. And they kept my music alive through those years. And they have loved the songs ever more. They celebrate my birthday of my songs. I realize when they put hashtags, Roke Na Roke completes 4 years, I realize how much of my work has come, how much they make me count my blessings. I love them for that. And they're not my fans. They're like a family. They cannot take anything against me. And usually if I'm also wrong, they will tell me, which I love about them. They're not people who will just stand by me for no reason. And I just want to say that, I'm grateful. I would just like to say a big thank you that you waited for my single to come, Saina to come, all my music that's coming, it's on its way. I hope the patience has been worth it. And it's just begun with Parinda. There's Main Hoon Na Tere Saath coming. Today, Ishq Karo has come from Koi Jaane Na. Then there is the Koi Jaane Na title song. Then there is Chal Wahi Chale with Shreya Ghoshal. So almost 4-5 releases in this month. I'm only doing this so that you guys, can have my music. This is Ishq Karo from the movie Koi Jaane Na. My first song with Jubin Nautiyal. I've never collaborated with him before. And this is our first track together. Penned by the one, the only Kumar, who wrote Suraj Duba Hai, Subah Subah, Saw Asman, and now the new summer anthem, Ishq Karo, in an acoustic form again. है पल दो पल जिंदगी ये आज है कल नहीं पाया क्या खोया क्या परवाह नहीं है हम साथ है तो है लम्हा हंसी है जितना भी जीना है इस पल में जीना है छोड़ो ना कुछ कल पे इश्क करो दिल से ये दिल मिलते हैं मुश्किल से इश्क करो हो दिल से ये दिल मिलते हैं मुश्किल से कहा है सभी ने यूं फिक्रों में जीने से होगा भला क्या बता आवारा सा बन के यूं गिर के संभल के ही मिलता है खुद का पता सांसों से आगे भी ये जिंदगी है हम साथ है तो हर लम्हा हंसी है जितना भी जीना है इस पल में जीना है छोड़ो ना कुछ कल पे इश्क करो दिल से ये दिल मिलते हैं मुश्किल से इश्क करो ओ दिल से ये दिल मिलते हैं मुश्किल से So the next song, you know, it's just released. It's called Main Hoon Na Tere Saath, and I would like to say it's one of my purest songs. You know, in this this one was created not 2 years ago. Like Chal Wahi Chale, which Shreya and Parinda were made about 2 years ago. But this one was made more closer to last year, just before the lockdown, and the lyrics were completed during that time. Arman recorded it, and I feel every person in a relationship will relate to this. And in this film, it comes really beautifully because Kashyap, who plays Saina's husband, he is a real life husband, and in the film, Ishan Naqvi's character for Pariniti, he loves the girl so much that he says, I want you to go and take on the world. You have what it takes. You know, all of us train here with you, but you're the one who can go and take India ahead. And that's what the message is. You know, it's a very beautiful thing for even men to see and learn from, you know, to give that support. Not that women need it, but to support them in whatever best way and say ki main hu tere saath. You know, and it's a very common line that even friends can say ki, you know, someone's tense, bro, tension mat le, main hu na tere saath. So it stems from there, but in this film, it's so beautifully applied and to the situation. Me and Kunal Verma worked on this song. He wrote this, and it's coming together of Arman, Kunal, and me after Chale Aana, which was our really, really big hit. So this is Main Hoon Na Tere Saath, which I hope will make everyone, you know, fall in love all over again and be supportive to each other. Not give up on that relationship. I know Tu Mera Nahi was to give up. Here, I'm telling you to be a little more supportive to your partner.
तेरी इन सांसों के एहसासों को यूं करीब रखता हूँ, तेरी हर खुशी को और दर्दों को मैं अपना समझता हूँ, तू मुस्कुराए दिल यही चाहे, डरने की है नहीं अब कोई बात, मैं हूं ना तेरे साथ, तेरे साथ, कोई था न होगा तेरे बाद, मैं हूं ना तेरे साथ, तेरे साथ, कर ले तू पूरे सारे तेरे ख्वाब, तेरी सांसों के एहसासों को यूं करीब रखता हूँ, तेरी हर खुशी को और दर्दों को मैं अपना समझता हूँ, तू मुस्कुराए दिल यही चाहे, डरने की है नहीं अब कोई बात, मैं हूं ना तेरे साथ, तेरे साथ, ना कोई था न होगा